Now, Happy RVers. All right, what's up, everybody? We are at Mesa RV in Mesa, Arizona, and the Happy RVers are trading in their 2020 Class C Thor Chateau for this 2019 Fleetwood Bounder.
That's right. They have been looking for this particular RV for the last few months, even before starting this road trip, and happened to come across this find out here in Arizona. The Class C Thor is a nice RV at 32 feet long, 1 slide out, and 1 bathroom. The Class A, however, is 37 feet long, has 2 slide outs, and a bath and a half. The Class A feels more like home on wheels compared to the Class C due to the amount of space for living and storage. The Class C Thor sits on a van chassis, as the Class A Bounder sits on an F-Series truck chassis, which is stronger and more durable. Both RVs have the same 6.8-liter V10 engine, although the Class A has a few more horsepower and a few more foot-pounds of torque, but the Class A weighs around 26,000 pounds, which is about 10,000 pounds more than the Class C. The Class C had 17,000 miles racked up, as this new pre-owned Class A has only 3,000 miles. It's a nice RV, and I wish the Happy RVers lots of luck with their new purchase. Now we continue with the trip. Thanks for watching.